welcome to Her Textured Hair. I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial. As you guys know, the whole new rave are these headband wigs. If you're not sure what a headband wig is, well, you've come to the right place. So basically, this is a headband wig. So basically, it's a wig that has a headband instead of the lace. I think the reason why is because there is a lace closure, lace frontal shortage all over due to COVID-19 and everything that's going on. So this was, I guess, something nifty that they created, you know, just to kind of, you know, hold us over. But this wig is so great for women that want to be on the go, women who don't have time to get ready in the morning, like whatever it is, like this wig is perfect. So like I said, it comes with this thick black headband, and then this is the inside, and then it does come with two combs in the side right here for you to use, like right here, just for extra security, and then two combs on the bottom. So basically, yeah, so I'm basically going to show you guys how I do my headband. Now you can wear your headband wig without any of like the baby hairs or anything, but I've been wearing it both ways, but for this I'm going to do it with the baby hairs and then show you guys how that looks. Now what I do have here is water in a spray bottle to just kind of spray it down if you want a big. I'm going to do my baby hairs.